Hi friends, Chitra here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show the indicator that is TCLC, dynamic support and resistance. Okay, so this is an indicator which can be used for intraday. So this is the Nifty chart, that is we are using this particular indicator to trade the options, that is Nifty and BankNifty. This indicator works well for Nifty and BankNifty. So I will explain where to enter into the long trade and short trade, and what will be the SL stop loss also I will be explaining you. So what is a time frame you can use if you are using this indicator as an intraday trader? So as an intraday trader, I will suggest you can go for 3 minutes chart or even 5 minutes chart. Okay, these two time frame will work. So this is a 3 minutes and this is the 5 minute. So if you are doing scalping, you can use 1 minute also, but 1 minute won't give you more accuracy when you compared with the 3 and 5 minutes. So here I am explaining the trades, how can we enter into the trades based on the 3 minutes time frame. Here we can see this is a 3 minutes time frame. So I will show the settings of this particular indicator. Okay, here this is the settings. Click on settings, and under inputs we have to enable show major minor levels, show history. So if you enable the show history, we can see the previous days or even the previous weeks levels also. If you enable show next day level, you can see the next day CPR levels. Okay, show labels means you can see the labels here. Okay, and as well as show label values means you can see the numbers, which stock or which instrument you are looking into, that values you can see here. Okay, and label position also we can keep like start or we can keep at the end. If you keep end means that values will go and we can see at the end here. So usually I will prefer to keep the label position start, so we can see at the first candle itself we can see the levels. All right, and next is the option we can see, that is show moving averages. So according to your preference, you can use any moving average. So you can change here to any number like 20, or you can click like this, or 200 moving average. You can use any moving averages. So here this is TF is what? Time frame. So any time frame which we are looking into. So if you are using 3 minutes chart, even though you can see the 200 EMA in 5 minutes time frame. This is 200 moving average in 15 minutes time frame. So we can choose any moving averages, 5 moving averages, 20 moving averages, or even 50 moving averages. You can select any moving averages. Okay. And next is plot Bollinger Band. So if you want to enable the plot Bollinger Band, you can enable this indicator also. So here we can see this is a Bollinger Band. So I'm not explaining the Bollinger Band concepts here, so I'm not using that. I have unchecked that. And once you go to the so this is only the settings, and the next settings we can see here is show PRZ. PRZ means that is potential reversal zone. So here we can change to any time frame of PRZ. So as an intraday trader, we have to always select as day. Okay, daily potential reversal zone I have enabled. So you can select that to weekly or even monthly in order to know the major, that is higher time frame, what will be the PRZ levels we can understand by clicking on a week or by month. We can see here we can select the week or month. Okay, so here it is daily, and if you click on weekly or next is the monthly option will be there. So you can select anything according to your preference. So I have selected daily. Next we can go to the style. Under style we can see here there are three support and resistance levels: support and resistance 1, support and resistance 2, and support and resistance 3. So I have explained with the colors here. So if you want to change the color according to your preference, you can change that also. So support and resistance 1 is a yellow line. Resistance 2 I have made it as diamond in shape, step line with diamonds. Step line support and resistance 3 I have mentioned it in purple in color. Moving averages we can keep any color here. I have kept in black in color. Okay. Now click on OK. Okay. So now I will be explaining the Nifty chart, how to use this customized indicator for the Nifty chart in the 3 minutes time frame. So this is the month of December, that is 2nd December. Okay, so I have explained the settings. So in this particular indicator, you can see the CPR level, that is top central pivot, and the bottom central pivot. Also weekly pivot and monthly pivot is also available, and I also explained about the moving averages in different time frames you can put. So this diamond black line is the 15 minutes 200 moving average, and here we can see this black line. This is a 5 minutes 200 moving average. Okay, and first red candle itself, it's a rejection from the weekly pivot and also below the CPR level. Okay, and also below this yellow diamond level. But once the price is reversing from that rejection from that particular level, we can see that there is a 15 minutes 200 moving average here. So once you enter into the trade, you can book your profits at this particular level, or you can do a small scalping trade. So you know that there is a 15 minutes 200 EMA below. So if you are getting any reversal from this particular level, yes, you can look for a long trade opportunity. So here this green candle gave the confirmation to enter into the long trade. Again, the 930 candle gave one more confirmation. So you can enter into the long trade. So where is the entry? Above this green candle according to our customized indicator. So that is the entry. Here this is the entry level, and what is the stop loss? Stop loss will be the low of this particular green candle. Okay, so this is the stop loss. Okay, so this is the entry and this low of this green candle is the stop loss. So once you enter into the trade, we can see that there is a 200 moving average above the CPR level. CPR breakout also we got, and there is a weekly pivot, and there is a minor resistance level, that is yellow level. So you can book your profits at that particular level. Okay, and again we can say that there is a small rejection from that particular level. Okay, so if you are done with the first trade, you can close for that particular day. Okay, so I'll be explaining you the first trades which you are getting in that particular using our customized indicator. So in this indicator, there is one more resistance and support level, that is CR3 and CS3. What is CR3? CR3 is called Camarilla R3 level and Camarilla S3. So these two one support and resistance level I am using along with this support and the resistance. So we are getting more confirmation to enter into our trade. So here this green candle gave a close above Camarilla S3. Here we can see this is the CS3. Okay. Again we can see for the second day, that is December 3rd. So I am not explaining the trade based on the Camarilla pivot point. So here we can see this is the pin bar candle we got at our dynamic support level. So above this we can look for a long trade opportunity. This low will be the stop loss, and above this high we can enter into the long trade. Okay. So after that we got a nice move in the Nifty for December 3rd. So next is the December 4th, price opened at the PDH. So PDH is previous day high. So what are the levels that we are using is previous day high, and we can see there is one more level. PDL is previous day low. Okay, and CPR level, and Camarilla S3, that is CS3, and Camarilla R3. One resistance and one support level. Okay, and weekly pivot point also we are using. I have shown here, right? Weekly pivot point. WPP is weekly pivot point. MPP is monthly pivot point. So these are the three pivot points: daily pivot points, weekly pivot points, and the monthly pivot point. Okay, so here December 4th, based on the indicator that there is no trade. Okay, here we can see at this 1154 candle gave the red candle below this resistance level, below all the three support and the resistance. So below this red candle we can enter into the short trade. Okay, after that we didn't get any red candle below that. Again we got one more green candle, that is 1212 candle gave a long trade above this purple level. So we can enter into the long trade also. So these are the two trades on December 4th. Again we can see for the next day, that is the December 5th, first red candle opened below Camarilla R3 and at our dynamic resistance level. So our view is bearish for Nifty on December 5th. So after that we can see that there is a nice fall in the Nifty. Again we can see good move upwards also. Okay.